Good morning, children. Welcome back to math class. Today, we'll continue the remaining part of jugs and mugs. My liter bottle. Have you ever seen a 1 liter water bottle? Children, have you ever seen 1 liter water bottle? Yes, right? To drink water, we need water bottle, right? So, yes, I have seen 1 liter water bottle. Answer for this is yes, I have seen 1 liter water bottle. Okay. Collect a 1 liter bottle and some other small bottles. Guess how many times you have to pour from each of the small bottles to fill the liter bottle. Okay, here what you have to do, you have to collect two different sizes of bottle which is lesser than 1 liter, and then you have to fill the 1 liter water bottle from those bottles, the small bottles. Okay, so before filling the bottle, what you have to do, you have to guess. Okay, what you have to guess, see, you have taken two different sizes of bottle which has the capacity less than 1 liter, right? So from that bottle, how many bottle of water you require to fill 1 liter water bottle, that you have to guess. Okay, here I have taken 200 ml and 500 ml bottle. My guess is 5 bottles and 2 bottles. Okay, after guessing, you have to pour a water from smaller bottle to 1 liter bottle. After measuring how many bottles you require, that you have to write. Then you have to compare. Then you get to know the difference between your guess and exact measurement. Okay. Children, here I have taken 3 bottles, okay, which has the capacity of 1 liter and which lesser than 1 liter and lesser than half liter, okay. Now, in the concept, what they told us to fill a 1 liter water bottle, okay, to fill 1 liter water bottle by using smaller bottles which has the capacity less than 1 liter, right? Here I have taken half liter water bottle and 250 ml water bottle, okay. To fill 1 liter from half liter, I need 2 bottle. It's my guess, children, okay. And and from 200 ml bottle to fill 1 liter water bottle, how many bottles I required? My guess is 5 times, because 5 into 200 is 1000 ml, right, children? So my guess are from 500 ml 2 bottle and 200 ml 5 bottles. Okay. Here I have a bucket of water. Okay. Now I'll take 200 ml of water bottle. Now I fill this water bottle and pour to 1 liter water bottle. Let me make it properly. 1 liter water bottle. Yeah, now it's proper, right? So you can see, children, it's a 1 liter water bottle. Okay, now I'm filling 200 ml water. Here I filled 200 ml bottle for first time, and now I'm pouring water from 200 ml to 1 liter water bottle. Okay, now the bottle is empty. As you can see, I'm pouring. Okay, I poured it, right? So children, you can see first bottle from 200 ml to 1 liter, I poured 1 bottle. Okay. Now I fill second time 200 ml water bottle and I'll pour again. Okay, children. Yeah, it's filled, right? Now I'm pouring. Yeah, I poured it. And again, I'm filling third bottle now. I'm pouring third bottle now. This is third time I'm pouring from 200 ml to 1 liter. Next, fourth time. Fourth time I'm pouring now. I'm filling the bottle again. This is the last time because my guess is 5 times, right? Now I'm pouring fifth bottle to 1 liter bottle. As you can see, children, it's filled, right? So from 200 ml of water bottle to fill 1 liter water bottle, how many bottles of water we require? That is 5 bottles. Okay, children. Children, how many bottles of water we filled to fill the 1 liter water bottle? That is 5 times from 200 ml, right? That we have to write in the box or column. Okay. Children, my guess was 200 ml 5 bottles, right? That only I am writing here. 200 ml 5 bottles. Okay. After measuring how many bottles we filled, after measuring how many bottles we filled from 200 ml to fill 1 liter water bottle, that is 5 bottles, right? By this my guess is also correct. Measuring also correct. My guess is also correct. By and this my measurement is also correct. Now I am taking 500 ml of water bottle. Now what we have to do? I have to fill 1 liter water bottle from this bottle. Okay, and here my guess is 2 bottles from 500 bottle or 500 ml bottle. I have to fill 2 times or 2 bottle of water to fill 1 liter water bottle. Okay, now I have taken 1 liter water bottle and now I am filling 500 ml of water bottle to fill 1 liter water bottle. Children, can you see 500 ml water bottle is filled. Now I am pouring 500 ml of water bottle to 1 liter water bottle, that is nothing but 1000 ml of water bottle. Okay, now and I am filling for the second time 500 ml of water bottle. Now I filled second time 500 ml of water bottle. I am pouring water from 500 ml of water bottle to 1 liter water bottle. This is my second bottle. Yeah, it's filled, right? So children, by this what we got to know? We required 2 bottles of water to fill 1 liter water bottle. Okay. Now My guess is 500 ml of 2 bottles, and my measure is 2 bottles, right? I am writing that 2 bottles. So third bottle, this is for you children.